Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to create a Gmail and a YouTube channel in just seconds, so let's dive right in. First up, we'll create a Gmail account. Go ahead and click the link below, and you'll be taken to the sign up page. All you need to do is enter your chosen email address, hit next, and choose a password. Remember, it should be strong, yet easy for you to remember. Now that you have your Gmail account set up, let's move on to creating a YouTube channel. Click on this link to get started. On the next page, click the Create Account button if you don't already have one. Once that's done, sign in with your new Gmail credentials and voila! You now have your very own YouTube channel. That's it for today's quick guide on how to create a Gmail account and a YouTube channel in seconds. We hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content like this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.